It has been a tough year for millions of workers and businesses across the country because of the pandemic. Here in Kern County, veterinarians are struggling to keep up with high demand. As 23 ABC's Kylie Walker reports, the wait for a trip to the vet could cost some animals their health.
During this pandemic, with all the rules and to have a vet shortage, this is a humongous mess.
Robbie Miller with Strength and Shadow Dog Rescue says that these are the reasons he's had to turn down some dogs, slowing down his rescue efforts. Miller says that most vets are booked out 1 to 3 months on average right now, with him even waiting up to 12 hours at an emergency hospital on some nights, in turn putting animals' lives on the line.
I'll just be honest, dogs are going to lose their life because of the vet shortage.
And this harsh reality hitting close to home for a longtime Ridgecrest resident.
Actually, we do have a friend whose dog had basically a twisted stomach. It happened after hours, so they had to drive the dog to Lancaster, and unfortunately the dog died on the drive.
Alan Van Neville says resources are stretched even thinner in the smaller communities, with no after-hour emergency facilities anywhere close by. And during the day, they also run into issues, with Van Neville saying there's only 3 practices in town.
Every time we take one of our animals in, one vet has left and then they're trying to hire a new one. There's a small one-man practice here. And then we have a third vet that comes down from Bishop, California, and they're here once a week.
And Julie Johnson with the Bakersfield SPCA releasing a statement to 23 ABC saying in part, the vet shortage has been tough all the way around. We have had an open position for 16 months with only 1 application. And aside from the shortage, Vicki Thrasher, a local licensed vet, says the demand for help is going up.
We're performing 70 to 75 surgeries a day. We are vaccinating anywhere from 120 to 180 animals a day here.
Critters Without Litters, a local nonprofit, offers low-cost spay and neutering services. And Thrasher says much of this uptick in demand coming from the onset of the pandemic. And Thrasher asking for compassion as they work through this.
People are busy, being frustrated. Just remember the people that you're talking to are also human beings who are working as hard as they can to deliver services as much as they possibly can across the board here in the veterinary community.